Guys, it's a girl Milano Shira here, and today we have a very amazing video. We want to cook the African breakfast of bananas and tea. So you always make sure that we first start making our kitchen clean. So this is our pot. So I will start with washing the so just remove this part and this part. Wash them very clean. We have our bananas here. So the only thing you need is salt and water. So I think that's why most of the people back in days were healthy because they were not like using cooking fats. Yeah, so then we put water. So we have the salt. Actually, it's a very easy procedure. Yeah, so guys, let me know how you cook your traditional bananas and how you call it, because for us here we call it matoke. Yeah, so when it's one is toke, on the way they are many it's matoke. Yeah, so guys, let me know how you call this kind of food in your village. Yeah, so our bananas are ready. Yeah, so once you see that they have like zimepasuka. Yeah, so guys, these are our bananas. They are ready. Yeah, so you know when it's cold you need them hot. Jesus, it's really hot too. Yeah, super hot. Anyway, yeah, so we are serving with tea. it's time to have our breakfast. And guys, it's raining, so when you need something hot, this is the thing to eat in the morning. It's so sweet, so having some salt. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye.